Hey kids, that's right, we're back in the shop with Bonnie and Clyde. And we're gonna be spending a little bit of time with both of them today, testing something out. So, stick around. You might be saying, Chad, what are you gonna be testing today? Well, we're gonna check out the S6 from ETENWOLF. It reminds me a little bit of the 80s when I used to have a radio this big. Like, probably listening to Kiss or something. But no, our friends at ETENWOLF said, hey, you want to try out our flagship? And I was like, you bet I do. Now, we need to put this, I have a plan to put this through kind of a stress test, let's call it. And we're going to be using Bonnie and Clyde. Well, Bonnie and Clyde. Strike that, reverse it. Anyway, I'm going to get my test set up. We're going to bring you back in. All right, we're set. We have four flat tires. I don't know how much is in each one. I've got 2 flats on Clyde, 2 flats on Bonnie. They're facing each other, so this is easy for me. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the S6. Now, there's gonna be all the goodies for this lovely machine here, right along the bottom. We're gonna hook these up. I don't know what's in each one. I just pulled valve stems, let them buck. We're gonna be hooking this up to each one. And I'm also gonna be telling you right now that the back tire on Clyde is 28.5 inches tall, or 28 inches tall, 10.5 inches wide. The one on Bonnie is 31, maybe 32 inches tall and 10.5 inches wide. Now the fronts, we'll measure them and we'll talk about them. But anyway, the backs are pretty substantial tires for both of them. The fronts, this is a 670/15, and that happens to be a 205 70/15. So, pay attention down there. Let's do this thing. So I talked to ETENWOLF. I was like, hey, I'm gonna put this through its paces. They're like, go ahead, let it rip. So, we're letting it rip. I'll tell you, ETENWOLF's design is just the best. I mean, everything's just right here, already hooked up, ready to roll. Can't beat this at all right here. And big buttons, so you and I can read. I did charge this fully. So we're gonna turn it on. Oh, look at this. It's already set for 35 pounds. I didn't do that. That's where it was at. So we're gonna leave it right there. Now you can, of course, adjust like this. Okay, that's enough. I don't know. 35. Now, got a light. Boom, right here. Boom. Ah! I think that's SOS. I was never in the Navy, I don't know. So, let's get down here. Let's see. Hey, Chad, welcome to the floor. We have 4.9 pounds in our tire right here. You guys ready? All right, Bonnie's front tire is 27.5 inches tall by 7.5 inches wide. And that only took 3 minutes and 38 seconds from 4.5 pounds. That is impressive. Now, let's check out Clyde. All right, Clyde's tires are 25 inches tall by 9 inches wide on the front here. So we're going to be testing a pretty good sized tire. And we're just going to give her a hook up. Now, this did not get warm at all. The screws on here. There is another, there's a chuck that you can use too, but I chose not to. Now this has 4.9 pounds in it. Okay, now let's get this done. All right, boys and girls, that was 3 minutes, 30 seconds for Clyde's tire. That's pretty darn good, I'm telling you. And we have not even come off of full on the battery yet. So, Now we got the big one. We got those two back there. Let's do this. Now, if you're wondering if this gets hot, no, it is not hot at all. But now we're dealing with the big tires. Let me get this set up, and I can't wait to see what happens. Hey, welcome to the floor again. Now, Clyde has 11.2. See that? 11.2. We're looking for 35. Ready? Here we go. All right, from 11.2 pounds to 35 took 5 minutes, 2 seconds on that tire right there. I'm telling you, I am really impressed so far. Now, we got a girlfriend here. She got the biggest tire, so let's do it. All right, Miss Bonnie has 4.6 pounds in that big tire. Now, we've used 1 bar of the battery, and we're gonna see what happens now. You guys ready? All right, here we go. All right, kids, that was 6 minutes and 27 seconds from basically completely flat and lifted up. It completely filled basically a 31 by 10.5 tire. Wow. I mean, and this was straight use. I mean, it went from one tire to the next. It just was just the walking distance. That was it. So we did 4 tires. The front 2 each took 3 minutes apiece. That one took 6. And that one took 5. So if we add it up, that's 46, carry the 9, X 18 minutes about, you know. Yeah, almost 18 minutes. That's pretty good. And we used half of the battery. There's a customer service number right here. If you have problems, you just give them a call. Don't forget, 24 months. Man, this thing is pretty darn good. It also comes with a quick guide on how to inflate your tires. Something else that I noticed it came with, of course I told you about this, where you can actually inflate and then deflate your tires. It comes with a 45-watt charger, brick, and USB-C to USB-C. Now, even after all that, it is barely warm. It has an integral cooling system in it. And there's been stuff rolling across the screen the whole time. Has onboard storage, power bank like the other ones. We have now tested the S1, the S3, the S5, and now their flagship, the S6. I'll tell you what, if you have one of those little pancake compressors or a 1 or 2 gallon compressor at home, you don't need it. You just need this. Might be unpopular, I said it. You need this right here, the S6 from ETENWOLF. We did all those tires, and we used half the battery. Now, it also said, the stuff I read, it will do 18 standard F-150 tires from 30 to 35 pounds. We didn't do that today, did we? We did like 11 to 35, 4 to 35. That's what we did. It only took us 18 minutes about to do it. Man, I'll tell you what, if you don't get yourself one of these, you are missing out. This thing is fantastic, and I'm not just saying that because I'm holding it. You saw how good it did. You need to go get one. ETENWOLF, when I talked to him, was like, hey, I got a stress test for it. They're like, okay, bring it on. They were not concerned at all, and I see why. Just go get you one. And yeah, this thing is Honest Peyton Speech I've approved. Go get it. Video's over. Click that link. Don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff to us too. Oh, also, ETENWOLF's on the social medias. Look them up. Keep on wrenching, kids.